What is the value of sin x for this diagram where we have inner angles of 1.5 x degrees and 15 degrees? So first we have to find the value of x to find the sin x. In this diagram, here we have a 90 degrees on this side. Therefore, this angle also going to be 90 degrees because this is a straight line and a straight line comprises total of 180 degrees. Since this angle is 90 degrees, this means if you add up all these inner angles, their sum must be equals to 90 degrees. So here we can see 1.5 degrees plus x degrees plus 15 degrees equals to 90 degrees. Here 1.5 plus x equals to 2.5 x degrees equals to 90 minus 15 degrees equals to 75 degrees. So here x degrees equals to 75 divided by 2.5 equals to 30 degrees. So x degree equals to 30 degrees. As in this question, we have to find the value of sin x. Therefore, sin x equals to 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. So, sin x will be 0.5. This is our correct answer.